Hello and welcome back to RB Medical Coding class, your one-stop destination for learning medical coding in a simple and easy way. We're going to go through some basic medical coding questions that every beginner should know. These questions will help you understand the foundation of coding systems like ICD-10-CM, CPT, and HCPCS. Let's get started. Question 1. What is medical coding? Answer. Medical coding is the process of translating healthcare diagnoses, procedures, medical services, and equipment into universal alphanumeric codes. These codes are used for billing and insurance purposes. Question 2. What coding systems are you familiar with? Answer. Common coding systems include ICD-10, International Classification of Diseases, CPT, Current Procedural Terminology, and HCPCS, Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System. Mention any specific experience you have with these systems. Question 3. What is the purpose of ICD-10 codes? Answer. ICD-10 codes are used to classify and code all diagnoses, symptoms, and procedures recorded in conjunction with hospital care. They are essential for billing and tracking health statistics. Question 4. What is the purpose of CPT codes? Answer. CPT codes are used to describe medical, surgical, and diagnostic services and procedures. They help in billing and ensuring that healthcare providers are reimbursed for their services. Question 5. What is the difference between a diagnosis code and a procedure code? Answer. A diagnosis code, ICD-10, identifies a patient's condition or disease, while a procedure code, CPT, describes the specific services or procedures performed on the patient. Question 6. Can you explain what a modifier is in medical coding? Answer. Modifiers are two-digit codes added to CPT codes to provide additional information about the service performed, such as whether a procedure was altered in some way without changing its definition or code. Question 7. What is the importance of accuracy in medical coding? Answer. Accuracy is crucial in medical coding to ensure proper billing, prevent claim denials, and maintain compliance with regulations. Errors can lead to financial losses and legal issues. Question 8. How do you ensure compliance with coding guidelines? Answer. I ensure compliance by staying updated with the latest coding guidelines, using official coding manuals, and regularly reviewing my work for accuracy. Question 9. What steps do you take when you encounter unclear documentation? Answer. I would reach out to the healthcare provider for clarification to ensure accurate coding and documentation. Clear communication is essential to avoid errors. Question 10. Why do you want to work in medical coding? Answer. Share your interest in healthcare, your attention to detail, and your desire to contribute to the healthcare system by ensuring accurate billing and coding. I hope these questions helped you understand the fundamentals of ICD-10-CM, CPT, and HCPCS coding systems. Remember, building a strong base is the first step to becoming a successful medical coder. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below which topic you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe to RB Medical Coding class and press the bell icon so you are the first to know when we upload new lessons. Thank you so much for watching.